Hello, this is Whitney from Landpack company. We are specialized in packing and filling machine over 16 years. Today I want to introduce this LP500 box motion packing machine for you. And this machine, its packing speed is 60 to 120 bags per minute, suitable for soft material and the products with chain. And regarding the control system, this machine uses Yaskawa PLC and servo motors. There has 4 servo motors, which is control the film feeding device, the cutter, the film pulling wheels, and the reliable speed belts. So let's go and see this machine one by one. First, this is our food-grade conveyor belt. It can be connected with the front material sorting line, or you just put the products with different lengths on the belt, and its width can be adjusted by this screw. And then this one is our reliable speed belt, which is driven by a servo motor. It can automatically adjust the spacing between each product. And this one is our empty sensor. If there has no products, the machine will stop. And the next one is our servo-driven roll film feeding structure with automatic fill spicing and roll centering function. And the next part is our bag former. You can adjust its height by this screw and adjust its width by this screw. And its maximum height is 100 mm, maximum width is 200 mm. And this one is our middle sealing structure. First, this is our pulling wheels, controlled by a servo motor. And this one is our preheating device, which makes it more better sealing performance, faster sealing speed. And this one is our middle sealing device. And this one is our pressing box. And here has a screw, can adjust its height. And this one is the empty bags sensor. Next part is our reciprocal sealing device, supporting zigzag cutting and flat easy tear cutting. It can be customized. Next one is our 10-inch touching screen. You can adjust its packing speed and the eye mark position and the product position, the printer position and the sealing position. And this one is the temperature controller. You can adjust the temperature on this touch screen, replacing the electric traditional temperature controller, faster and more convenient. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have more questions about this machine, please feel free to contact with us. Bye bye.